Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover about the best time to visit New Orleans. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the best time to go to New Orleans. Also post your favorite time to travel to New Orleans in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. New Orleans is one of the most popular tourist destinations and the best city to visit for fun, parties, events, and culture. If you're looking forward to visit New Orleans in near future but confused about what is the best time of year to visit New Orleans, watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts regarding when is the best time to visit New Orleans. New Orleans is a Louisiana city on the Mississippi River, near the Gulf of Mexico. Nicknamed the Big Easy, it's known for its round-the-clock nightlife, vibrant live music scene and spicy, singular cuisine reflecting its history as a melting pot of French, African, and American cultures. Embodying its festive spirit is Mardi Gras, the late winter carnival famed for raucous costumed parades and street parties. When is the best time to visit New Orleans? Honestly, there isn't a bad time to visit New Orleans. There's always a parade, a festival, or a party going on down in the Big Easy, but there are times when your shirt won't stick to your body from the humid heat, and the prices dip just a little. New Orleans is like nowhere else on earth during Mardi Gras, but the crowds are something to behold. There are definite perks to coming outside of the frenetic spring period, when prices fall and the crowds thin out. Shoulder season, October to January, is a good time to come, with the lowest rainfall all year, and falling temperatures after the summer peak. Whenever you come, you'll find merriment, music, and just a little debauchery, if that's what you're after, flowing from every street corner and city block. And let's not forget the food, some of the finest in the South. Here's our guide to helping you decide the best time to visit New Orleans. Shoulder season in New Orleans, October to January. Best time to avoid large crowds. From October, the weather begins to cool off after the long, steamy summer, and rainfall slows to a trickle, making this semi-tropical city much more manageable for people not used to the humid heat. While there's nothing on the scale of Mardi Gras or the New Orleans Jazz and Heritage Festival on the calendar, plenty of odd little festivals and events pop up around town. The crowds aren't as high as peak season and you may be able to score a deal on hotels and flights. A big event during this season is Halloween, which takes on an extra spooky vibe in New Orleans antebellum era streets. Look out for costumed bar crawls, historic mansions converted into haunted houses, and dinner tours of Lafayette Cemetery. High season in New Orleans, February to late May. Best time for partying. With all the high-octane events on the calendar, the spring is really the sweet spot for a visit to New Orleans. Although you may have to endure some extremely hot days, the weather is generally pleasant enough if you stick to shorts and short-sleeve shirts. It's the city's busiest time of year with Mardi Gras, the Jazz and Heritage Festival, and Super Sunday. Expect large crowds and steep prices. Evenings are cooler than the day, but still balmy, perfect for outdoor dining at some of New Orleans' best restaurants. Plus, April is the beginning of the music festival season, ushering in months of jazz, blues, rock, rap, and more. Low season in New Orleans, July to September. Best time for music festivals. Summertime in New Orleans isn't for the faint of heart. Temperatures can reach 90 degrees Fahrenheit and rain and humidity will be constant traveling companions. Let's just say it's a brave traveler who wears a dark-colored top this time of year. There are fewer tourists and lower hotel prices, but that doesn't stop the party. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite month to visit New Orleans in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too.